Thinking of buying a new car in 2025? Be careful. Some vehicles might seem like a good deal on paper, but in reality, they'll quietly drain your wallet with repairs, high fuel costs, and poor resale value. In this video, we're diving into 4 cars that turn into money pits, and then we'll reveal 3 dependable models that are truly built to last. All of this is backed by real-world data and consumer reports ratings. Let's start with the worst offenders, the ones that should come with a warning label. Jeep Cherokee. The may carry the rugged charm of a classic off-roader, but it's a rough ride when it comes to reliability and cost of ownership. Its base 2.4 liters engine feels sluggish and noisy, especially during highway merges, while the optional V6 offers more power but is paired with a transmission that's gained a reputation for failure. Handling is loose, and fuel efficiency lags behind rivals in the compact SUV space. While the Cherokee looks like a true Jeep, bold grille, aggressive stance, the quality doesn't hold up. Exterior trim and seals wear out quickly, and rust-prone undercarriages have been reported after only a few winters. Step inside, and it gets worse. The cabin is stuck in the past with cheap plastics and a clunky layout. Infotainment problems are common, with Uconnect freezing or lagging regularly, and space in the rear seats and cargo area is limited compared to competitors. On paper, the Cherokee checks a lot of boxes, but in reality, it's a maintenance-heavy SUV with poor long-term value. High repair costs and plummeting resale make it one of the most expensive ways to own a compact utility vehicle. Mercedes-Benz GLA. The Mercedes-Benz GLA brings luxury branding and eye-catching design, but when it comes to real-world ownership, it often leaves drivers frustrated. The turbocharged 2.0 liters engine promises performance, but drivers report jerky acceleration and clunky shifting from the dual-clutch transmission, especially in stop-and-go city traffic. It simply doesn't offer the smoothness expected from a premium nameplate. Visually, the GLA turns heads with sleek body lines and LED lighting, but many owners notice cosmetic flaws early: paint that fades too soon, loose trim, and even misaligned panels right from the dealership. Inside, the digital dash and ambient lighting deliver a futuristic feel, but the materials fall short. Rear seating is tight, ride quality is bouncy, and tech gremlins, from freezing infotainment screens to unreliable driver assist systems, show up far too often. Despite the badge, the GLA lacks the substance expected of a Mercedes. Consumer Reports continues to rate it poorly in reliability, particularly with electronics. You're paying luxury prices for what ends up feeling like a budget experience, one that's hard to justify in 2025. Nissan Ultima. The Nissan Ultima is a familiar sight on American roads, but under the surface, it's no longer the dependable family sedan it once was. The heart of the problem lies in its CVT, a continuously variable transmission that has become notorious for early failures, often before hitting 70,000 miles. Acceleration is uninspiring, with the engine groaning under load and delivering a generally uninspired driving experience. Even with the SR trim's sporty appearance, the quality just doesn't hold up. Panel gaps, rattling doors, and fading paint tell a story of poor manufacturing oversight. The interior tries to feel modern with digital displays and a touchscreen, but the tech is laggy and often unresponsive. Seats break down quickly, and highway noise creeps in more than it should. For a car aimed at comfort and practicality, the Ultima is becoming a risky investment. With skyrocketing transmission repair costs and declining resale value, it's not the smart buy it once was. Better, more reliable alternatives are everywhere. Mitsubishi Mirage. And then there's the Mitsubishi Mirage, often pitched as the cheapest new car in America. But it's a classic example of you get what you pay for. Its tiny 1.2 liters, 3-cylinder engine barely musters the energy for highway speeds, and it's loud and unrefined even around town. Handling is vague, and the overall driving experience is rough. Sure, fuel economy is decent, but performance and longevity take a serious hit. Externally, the Mirage is small and easy to park, but durability is an issue. Paint fades rapidly, and rust appears early in humid or coastal regions. The paper-thin materials and exposed welds are a clear sign of how corners were cut. Inside, it's Spartan, bare-bones seating, minimal tech, and hard surfaces everywhere. Road noise is unbearable on longer drives, and even basic comfort is lacking. Although it's cheap up front, you'll likely pay more in repairs and depreciation over time. Even budget-conscious buyers will find better value elsewhere in 2025. The Mirage is outdated, underpowered, and overpromised. Tired of the doom and gloom? Good news, not all cars are built to disappoint. Let's switch gears and look at three vehicles that offer rock-solid reliability, high owner satisfaction, and real long-term value. These aren't just good on paper, they're proven winners in the real world. Toyota Camry. First up is the Toyota Camry, a midsize sedan that continues to set the bar in 2025. Whether you choose the smooth and efficient four-cylinder, the punchy V6, or the ultra-economical hybrid, the Camry delivers confident acceleration and refined handling, all with Toyota's legendary reputation for dependability. It's a car that's easy to drive, easy to live with, and easy to recommend. On the outside, the Camry looks sharper than ever, with bold creases, a sporty front grille, and sleek LED lighting that gives it a premium vibe at an affordable price point. Inside, it's even better. The cabin is quiet, roomy, and thoughtfully laid out with high-quality materials throughout. The infotainment system is intuitive and comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No gimmicks, no upgrades needed. Rear seat passengers get plenty of legroom, making it one of the most comfortable sedans in its class. But what truly sets the Camry apart is its unbeatable balance of cost, comfort, and confidence. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of car you buy once and enjoy for years without a second thought. Lexus RX. From a reliable sedan to an upscale SUV that masters comfort and longevity, the Lexus RX is everything you'd expect from a luxury vehicle, minus the usual headaches. Under the hood, you'll find a smooth V6 or a refined hybrid setup, both tuned for effortless acceleration and whisper quiet cruising. It's not chasing sports car performance, and that's exactly the point. The RX is built to glide over potholes and soak up highway miles like few others can. And it looks the part too. With its bold spindle grille, floating roofline, and crisp LED lights, the RX commands attention without shouting for it. Step inside, and it only gets better. The cabin is wrapped in soft touch materials and stitched leather, with every control exactly where you want it. It's not just well-made, it's overbuilt in the best way. Lexus interiors age gracefully, and many RX sail past 200,000 miles without major issues. This SUV isn't about showing off, it's about showing up year after year with comfort, capability, and near-flawless reliability. Honda CR-V. And finally, there's the crossover that earns its place on the shortlist of nearly every smart shopper. Whether you go with the zippy turbocharged engine or the ultra-efficient hybrid, the CR-V delivers responsive driving and stellar fuel economy, especially in city traffic where it truly shines. It's nimble, light on its feet, and doesn't demand premium fuel or premium maintenance. The design has grown up too. Recent models feature a wider stance, a sleeker grille, and more mature styling that fits in anywhere from the school drop-off to a weekend road trip. Inside, the CR-V is all about practicality without sacrificing comfort. There's plenty of room for passengers and cargo alike, with wide visibility and clever storage throughout. The materials feel durable yet soft to the touch, and the infotainment screen is easy to use. No frustrating menus or laggy responses here. For families, commuters, or anyone who just wants a worry-free vehicle, the CR-V delivers where it counts. It's the kind of crossover that saves you money now and holds its value long after the new car smell fades. So what do these three winners have in common? According to Consumer Reports, all of them score among the highest for predicted reliability, owner satisfaction, and road test performance. Toyota, Lexus, and Honda consistently dominate the top of CR rankings, and it's not just hype. These are vehicles designed with longevity in mind, and they've proven it time and time again. Meanwhile, the cars we covered earlier, the ones with flashy designs but troubled histories, continue to show up at the bottom of reliability lists due to weak powertrains, inconsistent build quality, and high maintenance costs. The difference? Long-term thinking. And it pays off. So whether you're avoiding budget bombs or chasing lasting value, your 2025 car choice can make or break your driving experience and your bank account. Which car surprised you the most in this list? Let us know in the comments. We read everyone. And if you found this breakdown helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more real-world car reviews coming that will help you buy smarter. Thanks for watching. Drive smart, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.